We're friendly. It's like, hi.
Oh, Roxy, why you have a sad face?
She look like this. I will tell you about the accident, guys. Look, she knows. Look, she knows I'm going up. You know, are you smart? Are you smart, baby? Look at it, guys. Are you a smart baby? Are you the smart baby? Are you the smart baby? No, are you? Are you the smart baby? Alusha. Oh, you wanna go? Yes, you wanna come up here? Come it. What did you do, mate? Look at it. Hey. Look at, guys, I'm so hairy. Okay, we're big. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of hair.
You have a lot of hair?
Because I did rock mist this hair. I do haircut.
Oh.
I cut her hair. Today is this is the last day I'm gonna cut her hair. But she is so like her hair collect a lot of dust.
Yeah.
It's like when I touch it, when I'm rubbing her, when I'm cutting her hair. No, when I was cutting her hair, I was petting her to make her calm. But I received a lot of dust, dirty on my hand. So because of her texture, that's why.
Yeah.
Metro North, I think that no.
Her hair is much softer now.
Because I cut it.
You've been cutting it, yeah.
No, it's not. When you cut it, when it's shorter, it's soft. But once it grow, it's the natural hair that she have. The texture is rough. It's rough. But when you cut it, you know, of course, it's soft. But
because I noticed the first time you cut her hair, I noticed the difference.
Because it's a new cut. Maybe that's her. That's okay. Okay, we're picking up her grandkid. So that's why we're here in the train station. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe this is it. This is the train, no?
No, I would see it over here.
No, that's the train. You see the blue thing? That's a train stopping. Huh? You don't see it?
No.
The blue there. The blue on the, you know, it's a behind the fence.
It's underneath on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see it over here. I was looking over there.
Okay, guys. Ito, guys, I'm making this. That bihon over there. Oh no, that canton. And yun. Saka ito. Bibi bok choy, bibi pichay bok choy, and carrots. Ipa-fry ko lang itong Eat it. That's okay, I'm watching. It's Julie time. Anyway, yung pamangkin ng asawa ko andito na. Nandun sila sa labas. Did you kita the hair? Did you kita the ulo? Anyway, magluluto lang ako, guys, para makakain kami ng maaga. And yes, so that she can eat. Look how pretty is that, guys. Oh my god. Yehey! Sarap. Hi guys, ano na guys, late na, 9 o'clock. I still have to edit videos and stuff like that. You know, my sister-in-law just left because she came here to see her niece, and so we're just hanging out, and yun. So hindi lang ako nagba-vlog. I'm not vlogging. When they were here, they're still downstairs, and yung sister-in-law ko just left, so I told them I'm going up. See you tomorrow, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. Yes, good morning. Good morning, guys. Ito yung morning ko, guys, palagi. That's what happened. Anyway, guys, good morning. Tulog pa silang dalawa. And I had my breakfast already, which is croissants and egg and coffee. Anyway, guys, thank you guys sa mga greetings kay Tammy. Salamat sa inyo na nag-greet sa birthday niya. I know it's late already, this video, you see, and it's gonna be few days more to go that you can see. Tammy, I will let Tammy read all your comments, and I will film him. And yeah, so I told him that because I want him to reply all your comments, not reply like typing. Itong dalawang aso ayaw kumain. Kagabi pa ayaw nilang kumain hanggang until now they don't even touch. Mom, you okay? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Did you good girls? You wanna go out? Girls. Look at this cat. It's running like, oh my god, there's something over there. There's not. Oh. There's nothing over there, but the flirt. There's nothing. Look at that. Hi, Mitch. I cut your hair. I did cut your hair, and you look guapa na. Where are you going? Where are you going?
When my pocketbook swinging in front of me.
She's moving out of town, guys.
Huh?
My sunglasses. Yeah. Oh God, I never been here. Just like Andrea too. I never been over in the back over there.
Yeah.
But because she came here and then she wanna go over there, I just go with her. I hope no one will stop us.
I don't think so. We're friendly. It's like, hi.
Look at it, guys. We're in the mountain.
Go 4 days a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that an apple? Yeah.
Yep.
So pretty. Look how pretty is that. I like to take video here. Oh, the house looks different. Guys, I just want to show you guys. Yesterday, when I was looking at the area right there, I saw some colors. But now, you see? You see now there's a lot of colors. It's not just one. I mean yellow, orange. It's colorful now. Being in town with me in your video. Hello. Hi guys, kakaalis lang nila guys. My mother-in-law. Itong TV is so loud. Yung pamangkin ni Tammy, Subra. Katulad din ni Tammy, parang bingi ba?
We don't want to start up the war on drugs again. Yeah, but Dr. China, the war on drugs isn't over.
Okay, what? Oh shucks, what's going on? I got my mother-in-law, and I almost had accident, guys. I will tell you later, but I will tell you first the thing. When I pick up my mother-in-law, so I'll pick her up from dialysis, and then when we got here, yung ano ko, yung sister-in-law ko, dumating din. Kasi kukunin na, dadalhin nila yung, they have to go to the other house. Yung pamangkin ng asawa ko, at saka yung biyanan ko. They'll go to the other house, and, yeah, so yun. So that's why me and the dog, just us now left here alone. The dogs always get really sad, guys. Always. When there's people and then the people left, they're sad. Like, they're very unhappy that just me here. Oh, Roxy, why you have a sad face? She look like this. Why you don't tilt your head like crazy. It makes me laugh, baby. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna feed the dog. So Tommy just called me a while ago and I told him I will talk to him later. I did cook chicken. Okay, so yung husband ko, my husband is busy the whole time, and he doesn't have any food. You know, there is food over there, but I mean cooked food, you know. And he loved my humba. When he said, when I told him, guys, that I made humba with the egg, yung spicy. Sana spicy, pero hindi ko siya nilagyan ng spicy kasi yung mother-in-law ko, ayaw niya yung may mga ganyan. So I don't put that silly. I made chicken and pork also. And then yung canton na yellow, I have that also over there. That, you know, my mother-in-law is gonna be there the whole weekend, so she's gonna be alone. And there's food for the two of them. 6:49 na, guys. Hindi pa sila kumakain. Ako din. So I'm just going to eat humba at saka rice. Yun lang. Oh, I changed the dog food, guys. Ito, guys, I changed the dog food. Degree. And the dog, when they were young, they don't eat this because it's for a big dog, not for the puppy. Okay, come here. It's your turn, Roxy, Misty. Tomorrow is cleaning day. Vacuum cleaning day. I cannot wait to see my hubby. I don't see him this week. I'm planning to film with my mother-in-law, but I asked her, you know, she wanna go back with them. So I asked her, do you really wanna go, or we can just go over there, you know, like Monday. I will drop you from dialysis or something. But no, she rather go with them that she can see her daughter too. So they invited me, my friend Remy, they invited me if I can go to Niagara Falls, you know, in close to Canada. But I told them I don't want to go because they want to stay there for 2 days and I cannot. Plus you need like $300-400 because, you know, I have dogs. I need to let them out. I cannot even stay in the other house for 1 day because the whole day, because it makes me crazy. This is my food. Egg at saka humba at saka rice. Yun. That's my food. I will tell you about the accident, guys. Okay, this is what happened. I was driving to pick up my mom, my mother-in-law. And then, of course, this 1 lane each, you know, 1 lane, the other side, and in my side. So 1 lane. So it's traffic. Okay, traffic, but it's moving. Mister, what are you doing? I go pick my mother-in-law, and then, you know, I was, oh my god, it's scary, crazy. So this guy in the other lane, so this is me and this is this guy. Of course, it's traffic, okay? 2 ways. You know, like this. I don't know how can I do it. Like this. So this is me and this is him, you know, in different direction, okay? 1 lane each. And so I go like that, drive, and then this guy is like, I drove like that, and then this guy is trying to bump me. Like, it's like, it's not even, he just kept going, guys. And then what I did is like go like this, guys. It's like suddenly I do like this, and then I do like my honking, guys. My god, guys, I beep him to death. And then when I do like this, then he kind of like know what he's doing, so he kind of like quick back to his lane. It was really nerve-wracking, guys. And then I was shaking, like my knee can't stop shaking like crazy. Oh my god, it's just ridiculous. I want to push the gas, but my strength, so I kind of like drive very slow because I was so nervous. And the traffic is ridiculous. And you know what I did? I just turned the music on because oh my god, I was really hot, like mad, like I was like, my god. You're trying to pay attention when you're driving, but other people are very careless. I don't know what that guy is doing in his car. Maybe he's dropped something on the floor and he tried to get it, or doing something on the phone, or fall asleep, or drunk. I don't know, but the way he's doing it, he's not even like, you know, like slow, like try to be in my lane, facing towards me, try to hit me. It's like in the right speed. Guys, I was like, holy cow, guys. I thought he's gonna squash me because he's gonna hit me more in my side because he's hitting to where the driving seat, you know, driver seat. I was nervous. I told Tommy, I text Tommy. I'm sorry guys, my thing is really good. The egg with the humba, guys. The egg collect the taste, the flavor from humba. Listening this news, guys, is really did break my heart. Like, it's just like, you know, people just went to the freaking concert. They don't even know that's the last of their life, you know, they're having fun, you know. It's just like, wanna go out this way? Look at, guys, if I tell them this way, they know how to go. Let's go this way. Look. I see something over there. I don't know. Oh my god, I see something over there. Is that a moon? Or have a disco over there? You see that light over there? Holy cow. That's a moon, guys. Holy cow. That's a full moon. Seriously, that's a really orange moon. A big one too. Wow. That's amazing. You guys see it? I'm gonna get my phone, guys. I'm just gonna go upstairs and I'll be right back. Guys, okay? Oh my god. Do you have to follow me? Do you have to follow me, Salome? Thank you all guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed into this channel, please subscribe and click the thumbs up button, guys, if you do like me doing vlogging. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Kita-kits tayo bukas to my next vlog with my dog. But anyway, you're gonna see Tommy very soon. Thank you. Bye. Good night, guys. Look, but this is the bad one. An hour, so buti na lang hindi napapa